Everyone already reviewed the RTX 50 series. Benchmarks were done, charts were posted, conclusions were made. But there is a difference between reviewing a GPU and actually living with it. You only start noticing things after the purchase, and those things are never in the charts. This generation was supposed to be safer. The new 12-pin PCIe Gen 5 connector was designed to clean up cables and deliver more power. In theory, it's a better solution. In reality, many users are still reporting the same issues that started with the RTX 40 series. Melting connectors, loose contacts, dead systems. I personally experienced something even simpler: random black screens. One day my PC worked fine, the next day it didn't boot. No BIOS screen, no signal, nothing. After hours of testing RAM, motherboard, and PSU, the issue turned out to be the GPU power cable. A slightly loose connection and your entire system becomes unusable. This isn't just annoying, it's fragile design. NVIDIA made a bold claim during launch that the RTX 5070 could match the RTX 4090. But what they meant wasn't raw performance. They meant AI-generated frames. Not more power, more software tricks. Without those tricks, the RTX 5070 can struggle against older cards. The real hardware leap is smaller than marketing suggests. Modern games are becoming heavier. Not necessarily better, just heavier. Instead of optimizing, developers rely on upscaling. DLSS became less about extra performance and more about making broken games playable. It hides inefficiency instead of fixing it. Upgrading used to feel optional. Now it feels mandatory. New GPUs push new CPUs. New CPUs push new motherboards. New motherboards push new RAM. A single upgrade becomes a chain reaction of expenses, not because it's better, because the system demands it. On paper, RTX 50 looks cheaper than RTX 40. In reality, in many countries, prices are far above MSRP, sometimes double. This isn't just logistics, it's supply priority. AI infrastructure is the focus now. Consumers are secondary. RTX 50 isn't a bad generation, it's a warning. PC gaming isn't disappearing. It's quietly becoming more expensive, more fragile, and less forgiving. Not for everyone, but for those who can afford to keep up.